What if I told you that your entire life could change in just 21 days? Think about it. 21 days of focus, discipline, and effort could turn your struggles into strength and your dreams into reality. It sounds simple, doesn't it? But here's the truth. Most people give up long before the finish line. Now ask yourself, are you one of them? Or are you ready to take control of your life, starting today? If you stay with me till the end, I'll show you the exact formula to make these 21 days the most transformative of your life. But let me warn you, this isn't for everyone. If you can't handle discomfort, this video isn't for you. But if you're ready to fight for a better version of yourself, let's begin. Why 21 days? In 1950, Dr. Maxwell Maltz observed that patients took 21 days to adjust to new physical changes, a concept he explained in psychocybernetics. And while modern research says it takes 66 days for habits to become fully automatic, the first 21 days are critical. This is when new neural pathways form and old habits begin to break. These days lay the foundation for change. But how do you make those 21 days count? Here's the 5-step blueprint to ensure you don't just survive these 21 days, you thrive in them. 1. With small battles first. You don't need to conquer your biggest struggles on day 1. Like Sun Tzu said in The Art of War, win smaller battles first. If your goal is to wake up at 5 a.m., but it feels impossible, start by waking up 15 minutes earlier. Build momentum by conquering manageable habits, and soon the bigger battles will feel easier. 2. Set a clear goal. Without a destination, even the fastest runner gets lost. What's your 21-day goal? Maybe it's building discipline, learning a skill, or improving your health. Whatever it is, write it down and visualize where you want to be by the end of these 21 days. 3. Eliminate distractions. Success demands focus. Cut ties with distractions, be it social media or people who drain your energy. Create an environment where growth is the only option. Isolation isn't loneliness, it's the commitment to your dreams. Practice gratitude. Take a moment every day to be thankful for what you have, your health, your family, your opportunities. Some people don't have these blessings. Gratitude shifts your mindset from negativity to abundance, giving you the strength to keep going. 5. Think about your parents. When you feel like giving up, think about their sacrifices, their sleepless nights and endless struggles to give you the life you have today. Don't let their efforts go in vain. Let their hard work inspire yours. These 5 strategies, combined with consistency and exercise, learning, and discipline, will transform your life in just 21 days. Remember, no external force can change your life if you don't have the inner desire to change it. If this video spoke to you, like, comment, and share. It motivates me to create more impactful content for you. Let's make these 21 days the start of something extraordinary.